There's an eclipse of the moon this evening, starting just before 6:45. The total eclipse is at about 8:50. So where's the best place to be to see that total eclipse? Well, probably in more northern areas across Scotland and perhaps Northern Ireland. This central slice of the United Kingdom will have a lot of cloud, hopefully a few breaks in it to give a view of the eclipse, but really for southern England and South Wales it does look like it's probably going to be too cloudy. Probably too cloudy too across much of France and northern parts of Iberia. The best places in Europe to see the lunar eclipse through central and southern parts. So this is the cloud which is pushing in to spoil that view in the south. It's all tied in with weather fronts which are wrapped around an area of low pressure. Now this low pressure system is expected to bring some rain into southern parts through tonight, through tomorrow and through Thursday, but then it's going to slip away to allow the high pressure which is in the north to sink southwards. Now that's going to bring plenty of settled weather for Friday and indeed through much of the weekend. So by then many places will be dry, there'll be some brightness, but it is going to be cold and we are expecting some night frosts and fogs. But back to today then, and for northeastern areas there'll be some more wintry showers, but many northern parts will be dry, some bright or sunny spells. The cloud though will thicken up in the south, eventually bringing some rain into southwestern parts. Now here the wind will increase and it is going to feel really cold, a top temperature here of 5 or 6 degrees. Elsewhere highs will be in the range of around 4 or 5. So through tonight and tomorrow this weather front is expected to push up from the south, bringing with it some rain and indeed some snow, most of which will be on the hills, but not all of it. We could see some to lower levels too. But we are watching for a possibility of another inch or so of rain in some parts of southern Britain through tonight and tomorrow. If we get that amount of rain, it could add to the flooding problems that we've already got. But whilst all that is happening in the south, there'll be some wintry showers in the northeast. Many northern parts will be dry, clear spells, some patchy mist and fog, and it'll be frosty here too, a lowest temperature of around -2 or -3 degrees. So for tomorrow there'll be some wintry showers in some northeastern parts. Many northern areas will be dry though, with spells of sunshine, but for the south it's going to be cloudy, wet, raw and windy. Some sleet and snow mainly on high ground, with a top temperature of 4 or 5 degrees. Now that wet weather is expected to sink southwards through Thursday, allowing the bright skies further north to push southwards by Friday. By then, a lot of dry weather around.